I know how hard it is to find new angles for content that serves different purposes. Whether it's to get more followers, leads, or even converting those leads into sales, hiring an experienced copywriter is expensive, and then waiting for the copy to be written is painstakingly hard because you needed it yesterday, right? Now you can try doing it yourself, but this is hard if you don't have a proven and successful framework to operate from. Then there's an occasional writer's block. So isn't there a better solution for inexperienced copywriters to write some quality copy on a budget to get more followers, leads, and sales? Well, we've been working really hard to make this a reality. Introducing ClickX Copy, your personal copywriting assistant powered by proven copywriting frameworks and artificial intelligence. All you need to do is select the type of content you want to create and type in a couple of keywords. Yes, it's that simple. Actually, most of the page you see below has been created using the power of ClickX Copy. To write the best copy that will sell, we suggest you first use the following proven frameworks: the AIDA framework for high converting sales copy and the PAS framework for effective copy in a proven chronology. Once you've gotten your initial framework copy, you get to work on your product features and turn them into effective benefits and add powerful bullet points to showcase the best that your product or service has to offer. Make sure you watch the demo below. Now, ClickX Copy doesn't stop there. Other than copy that sells, the XCopy AI creates quality, engaging content for your viral videos and posts on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms you want to share content on and grow your followers and leads. Everyone knows that if you want to grow your followers, you need to post 2 or 3 videos per day on TikTok, Facebook Stories, and YouTube Shorts. Where do you find all that content to create that copy? ClickX Copy is the answer. I hear you say, but I need copy for e-commerce. No problem. ClickX Copy has you covered with automatically generated product descriptions, headlines, and reviews. You want to write some ad copy for your favorite ad platforms also? No problem. Our ads module will provide you tons of copy options based on your product or service descriptions and your best keywords. Want to write copy for your website, blogs, or even a text message? Also no problem. We've got you covered for any niche imaginable. You'll be able to write your content in minutes and get your message out there in more quality and faster than ever before. Growing your followers, leads, and clients will never be easier using the simple-to-use copywriting assistant that will be at your disposal 24/7. No more paying expensive copywriters, waiting for your copy, spending days writing your copy, being concerned with writer's block, wondering what your next video blog will be about, or copy that doesn't sell. And the best thing? We've added commercial rights for you as well, so you can start writing copy for other people. Simply add your service to Fiverr or Freelancer, and you'll be set up to bank on your new skills. ClickX Copy comes with powerful integrations. Integrate an autoresponder to import your copy and send out emails that people will click and open. And did I mention that you can convert all your copy that you create inside ClickX Copy into 106 different languages? Amazing, right? Now there is a catch. We're only launching this app for an early bird price during a couple of days, and then we'll be increasing the price each day until the early bird launch ends. We're also adding some amazing bonuses that will quadruple the value that you can get during this launch. Now, these bonuses are only available until this launch ends, so make sure you get it before they disappear. So click that button, 10x your sales, and write quality copy today with ClickX Copy. I'll see you on the other side.